Welcome to Proactive Websites video tutorial series. Today's topic, website statistics. Your Proactive website has a powerful statistics menu built into the control panel. Here you can see a report of products viewed in descending order. You can also see the products purchased from the most to the least. You can see a report of the customer orders total. This would provide a ranking of your best customers to your worst. You may also see a report of unsold or abandoned shopping carts. This is a very helpful new tool that allows you to see what customers had in their shopping cart if they abandoned the process right at the end of the sales cycle. There's a conversion rate menu. This would show how many new customers have come into the website and how many of those have placed an order. The order statistics also provides a yearly summary of the orders and even shows the date the order was created and the order amount. And lastly, we have a server statistics menu, which will show the true server stats of how the Proactive Website server views your website and tracks all of the traffic on it. So let's log into your control panel and maneuver down to the statistics window. And you can see the first report here under Products Viewed. Click on that. And here you'll see a summary of the products. In this case, our sample shows a colored foam windscreen. Has had 2,958 views, and this is a descending ranking of that. For convenience, you can navigate on the left side of your screen and work your way through the remaining reports. Here's products purchased. This shows a report now of the most products purchased to the least. In this case, we have an RCA 3-device universal remote that has been purchased 39 times. The next report, Customer Orders Total, shows your best customers to your worst in descending order. Here we show customer number 1, David Hall, has purchased $2,131.83 worth of product. The next report, Unsold Carts, shows what customers had in their shopping carts at the point in the cycle where they abandoned the order. So they took it all the way to the end, but for whatever reason, they abandoned the order. Now, we do have their email address in here as well, and you could certainly send them an email and maybe offer them a discount code for 10% off their next purchase, maybe find some way to entice them to come back into the website. The next report here shows conversion rates. This shows how many new customers came into the website for the year. In this case, in 2010, we had 105 new customers, and 28 of them placed an order for a percentage rate of 26.67%. Order stats. This report shows how many orders were placed during the calendar year. In this case, we had 31 orders, and unique customers shows 29. This proves that some customers place more than one order, and this will show your total dollar amount to the right under total purchased. Lastly, we have site statistics. This is a snapshot of how our server views your website. Here's a global summary at the top. Usage summary for stateoftheartmusic.com. And we have a monthly breakdown below. We also have how many kilobytes were used here and how many visits here in a bar graph. You can take a closer detailed look by clicking any of the months down in the following table. Let's take a closer look at February 2011. Monthly statistics for February. Here's where we see all the hits, the files, the pages, the visits. As we maneuver down that page, how many hits per hour, day. We can also see a bar graph to help visualize that. Here's a report of daily statistics. within the website, how many hits, pages, visits. We can also see an hourly usage, what hours of the day are the most visited, and a report that follows that. We have the top 30 URLs within the website. This would show the top 30 places that customers visited within the website, the shopping cart or tell a friend or the main menu. You can also see total number of entry pages. This is where people came into the website, and the exit page is where they left the website. A few other reports as you work down here. One of the important ones is the referring websites. So this shows where people came from. If you're doing, for example, a Google AdWords campaign and you're paying for clicks, you'll see that Google would be sending customers to your website. So this is a great way for you to validate how people are coming to the website. In this particular case, this is just a test website. So we're going to see state-of-the-art throughout here a lot. Here's Bing just showed up on this one here and had 30 visits in the month from Bing. So search strings are another report. You can see what people are searching for within the website and so on. So take a look at this. It's a real handy report to see what kind of traffic the website's getting. You can quickly jump to any section of that long page by using this menu here. As always, you can contact support with any questions or comments that you may have, and you may reach us at support@pro-activewebsites.com. Thank you.